So I'm thinking this might be useful to people that have these controllers on their dump trailers. This one is seen its end of life. Water's getting in. It's crap. Anyway, so you got up and down, and you could order one of these up and down from Amazon or eBay. I don't remember where I got it from. Looks identical. Doesn't matter if these are backwards. But the problem is the inside is a little bit misleading, and the color codes don't match up. But if you do the logic, the end of these connectors, this Amazon one has just like a pigtail. This one actually has a Deutsch, whatever they're called. These Deutsch connectors. And I mapped these out, and I decided to just go to the back of this and look at the logic. When you press this button, which is the up here, it basically shorts these two and these two. So you know you got green, black, and white shorted together for this up. Then for down, you're shorting 3 wires together. Black, which is also jumpered over here to the top one. So black, white, which is also jumpered over to the top one. You see that? And red. So the logic is for down, the only wire that's different is red. For up, the only wire that's different is green. I'm pretty sure there's like some kind of solenoid valve, or no, the white and black are going to actually get the pump working, the hydraulic pump working, and then the red or the green gives you a solenoid that tells you what direction the hydraulic fluid's supposed to be moving into the hydraulic ram, up or down. So now that you got a logic, because these two were shorted and these two were shorted, you know that green, black, and white, shorting all of those together, give you up. White, black, red gives you down. And those are your two for this switch. For this switch, if you take a look at it, you don't have 2 terminals here. You don't have 2 terminals here. You do have 2 terminals here for this up portion and 2 for the down, except they've got these little, I guess, jumper tabs. So the 2 inner terminals are here, and the 2 outer terminals are here. But when you press either this button or this button, then 1, 2, 3 gets shorted. And if you press the lower button, it's 1, 2, 3. So obviously you've got green and black common, green and black common for both up and down. So this is going to be, if you want to think about it, this is your hydraulic pump. And then this is direction, solenoid. In which case, what was going up, what was green here, upper left-hand corner, if I do a connector for this one, this green will now, since it's going up, have to become the blue. And the down, the red here, which is upper right-hand corner, the down will become the brown. And the blacks could stay the same, lower right-hand corner of the connector, and the green of the new will be where the white one was for the old. So this is the old connector. The new one, we've got to wire it in like this, and this is looking at it head on. This is my crappy drawing. And then pigtail, the wire comes out the back, right? So therefore, what was green for up is now blue with this one. And then what was white becomes green. Yeah. So this is going to be green because that's the logic column there. It's blue. Green becomes blue. White becomes green. Red becomes brown. And black stays black. So that's your logic. Put this connector together, plug it in, we'll see if it works. Pausing.